You've decided to homeschool. Is it because you don't like or agree with the curriculum of the public schools? Maybe you don't want your child to be exposed to peer pressure before you've taught your child right and wrong. Possibly it's because you'd like for your child to attend private school but you just don't have the finances to afford it. Whatever the reason, you've decided that you, as a parent, can do a better job of attending to, and nurturing, your child's educational growth than other alternatives available to you. If you're new to this, you'll find that the biggest problem you'll encounter is that there's almost no way to generalize the homeschool concept. Each case is different. There is no right or wrong. In fact, one of the unstated reasons most choose to pursue homeschooling is the freedom to create your own set of right and wrong rules, for the most part. You set the curriculum. And depending on what state you live in, you choose the instructional materials, the books, the hours, and so on. On the possibly negative side, when you run into difficulties with your students, you and your family will have to resolve them yourself, with little or no help from the state. No matter what your approach, there are two things you are going to have to do. 1. You're going to have to educate yourself about homeschooling. This means borrowing or buying homeschool educational tools and materials. You should also make it a point to read books written by ordinary people who have gone through the very things you're about to, so you can avoid making their mistakes with your kids. 2. There is no nationwide agreement on what a homeschool accreditation program should look like or include. Each state, municipality, and school district is different. Unavoidably, you're going to have to become familiar with and abide by the statutes governing homeschooling in your particular state. Aside from those two things, the basic thing you can give your homeschool child is a loving and supporting classroom environment at home. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.